Does your carpet suffer from embarrassing pet stains, messy kids, or do you just need to spruce it up before you have company over? At Stars and Stripes, we know that life happens to carpets. Let us come steam clean your carpets today with our special truck-mounted machinery that is guaranteed to save you money and drying time. And nobody can beat our everyday low price of only $90 for 4 rooms. That's right, $90 for 4 rooms. You deserve to start enjoying your carpets again. So call Stars and Stripes today for a cleaner tomorrow.